Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, May the 21st, 2024. We have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyber Block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Why not all? Well, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise, it will be a day job for me. Alright, and besides, I've already solved 3 puzzles in this afternoon. Yeah, this afternoon. So total of 7 puzzles a day. Well, it's a lot. All right, the 3 star Sudoku. I will start. Number 8585. Double 85. Double 85. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot for 3 stars. 28 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 3 digits more. Should be at 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, maybe 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, let me see. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next I only place level 2, should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so that row the only 2 places level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. How about I need a 9 here. I need a 3. 1, 9, 6. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 169, 169, 169, 169, and look, we have 1 and 6 in this column, so no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the middle row for number 9. 99. 4. Okay. We have a E5 here. We have a 2 there. Yeah. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have 2 and 8 in the third column, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So I need 1, 6, and the 5. Need a 5 here. Yeah. 2 and 8. I need 8 there. Need 8 there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places 11 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next only place 11 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. 8 should be there. So 1, 6, and need a 9 here. Well, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there, so the 1 and the 6 are left as a pair. Alright. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so the column next down, only place 11 6. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 3, 7, 9. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing here. Okay, 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5 is missing. And the 6, 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. Well, we have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 in the second row. No 5 there. So the only place left the 5 should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are left. Alright. Well. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5 and the 7. 2 missing numbers here. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 7. We have 5 and the 7 in this column. No 5 and the 7 in these 2 boxes. 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 digit left in this row for the mark. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. So the 1 and 6 are left as a pair. Here also 1 and 6. Alright. And now 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. The 8 in the last column, the 8 in that column, so the column 3. The only 2 places left, the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And we have a pair, the 7 and 8 in the third row, the 7 and 8 in the second row, so the first row. Only 2 places left, the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the last third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 and 8, we have 8 now in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. And we have all the 8s, yes, and all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright, so need a 3 here. We have a 1 in this row, the 1 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left the 1 should be there. 1, 1. Yeah. One of the missing numbers in the first row is the number 1. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. The only place left 1 should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are left in the first row. 4 and the 9, we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Sorry, for the 9. Almost made a mistake. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So here should be 7, 5, and 9. Need a 9 here. Alright. 1, 6, and need a 3 here. I need a 3 in the third column. Here can be 3. We have a 3 in this big square. No 3 there. So the 3 could be here or there. We have a 3 in this third row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. So the 1 and the 6 are left. We have a 1 in the third row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 in this third row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 or a 6, we have a 1 in this big square, so this box should be a 6. 1 on a 6, we have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, the only place left, the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 3 should be there. So the 7 and the 9 are left. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes at there. So we have 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, no, only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 11 minutes. Well. Told you. Need to be faster than 14, 30 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars. Not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. We sold again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with all the 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.